Obama has come out with, he wants amnesty. Yeah, like we can afford that. And then, millions more people. I mean, just disobeying federal laws coming across. We don't want a borderless society, because a borderless society takes away our national sovereignty. And right now we need state borders with state sovereignty. And we need the people active. So remember that when you go to the polls and you're electing an official, and remember that when you see someone say, come and sign this constitutional amendment petition.
I was visiting with these young fellows over here just now about some folks get confused, and the young folks that hadn't been at it a while, about the system, the voting system, as far as primaries and general elections and parties and being registered and all that part. Quick statement: register to vote. If you're not registered, register to vote. I would recommend, I'm an independent myself, I'm not trying to blow anything, so it doesn't matter. I would recommend, though, registering as a party member of some party, so you can vote in primary.
Right.
Because that way, if there's someone that you're not wanting to get to the general, knock them out in the primary. You got less than 10 votes in the general. But if you don't want to register to a party, of course you can't vote in a primary.
A bunch of people asking about several counties.
Any way you want. You can vote Democrat, Republican, Independent, Green Party, or whatever. I vote for individuals. I don't vote for parties myself. But I just wanted to run over that real quick.
That's all right.
I'm wrapped up in you, Jamie.
Thank you so much. You all, for the people that's just come, I just want to say we truly thank you for coming today. And remember what we're asking for now. We're asking for our Attorney General.
Come on over here and join us.
Put his certification, his approval on our constitutional amendment upstairs, so it can get back into people's hands and we can start gathering signatures that we're going to need to get this on the ballot in November. Do you all feel like that we at least deserve a chance for us as a state of Arkansas to
She's busy. He's not busy. I've heard.
Okay, she was just informing me that April 18th is the deadline to vote if you want to vote in the primary, to register to vote. Yes, so April 18th is a deadline there to register to vote if
We
you
got
want
new
to vote
people
in
we
the
got rough
primary.
about.
Now, if you have friends and family that is not registered, because I know if you go back into your church, there's a lot of people that you're going to church with right now that's not registered to vote. And if you have friends and family in your community, you need to see them and say, please vote in this election, because I honestly believe that this 2010 election is a crossroads for America.
Freedom guy.
Okay, I got a message from my husband who's at work. He's a physician, and he wanted to be here and so did so many of the other doctors, but they're at work. They're seeing patients. And I think the message that he wanted me to send is they don't want the government telling them how to treat their patients.
All right, that's right.
They went to school for 12, 14 years, sacrificed those years. My husband never saw a movie in the 90s. You know, and hundreds of thousands of dollars, and these guys are going to be told how to treat patients.
That's right.
And giving medical advice, it doesn't work. The doctors cannot work like that. The other thing is, not to mention Medicare is going to be cut $500 billion. And this health care reform, it's going to be like being on Medicare and Medicaid. Many doctors cannot see those patients anymore because they're overhead. They don't get reimbursed by the government. The government doesn't pay them on time. They wait months and months and months to get paid. Nobody understands that. The government sets their prices, and they're restricted at the one time. For instance, well, they restrict
Pennsylvania, some other supporters here.
Guess what? Women have lost their choice, their right to choose. They've lost their right to choose. Women have. They can't
There's some of the media up there. I don't know how they get out there.
But of course they can. Abort the baby. Any form of divorce. That's another thing. Right, there's probably 20 more.
Freedom guy. That guy does not need a bullhorn.